huge tornado.
Gotta get the phone photo here.
I mean, it's somewhere in there. This next road we turn. That's a beast.
Why can't I see it? Dude,
that's a
looks like a tornado.
That's a legit tornado right there, dude.
I always think I see one and then I am later I know it's
What town are we near? What town are we near? Okay.
Bro.
Holy cow, dude, that's a ripper. Here, do you want to go north? Huge tornado near Blackstone, Illinois. Wow. You can turn the windshield wipers off too, or how do I do it?
There's a little roller on the blinker. See which way it's coming.
It's going to be going like just over northeast. Wow. Holy cow, do you see those vortices?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Holy shit.
Well, there's a couple times where I lost focus. Oh, wow. Those vortices are so cool.
God. Dude, we holy shit.
Okay, we're celebrating tonight.
Oh my god.
It's our first real, like,
why is my camera like slightly blurry? This is annoying me.
is that going through a town road check?
I think so.
That's bad.
That's awful. Yes.
Okay. I wanted to make sure we didn't get to the end of this and go.
Oh shit, I mean either way.
Take some on your phone too, just.
Yeah, I mean that's gonna produce one just down there too. We got two of them down. This is gonna be like
just look at that though.
That one's huge.
Look at the stream in the middle and then all the surrounding.
Oh yeah. Wait, let's up this a tiny bit. So you know, like compared to say less field. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Dude, this is crazy. You feel that inflow too?
It might be lifting. Maybe not.
I've seen a lot of stuff right there. I don't know though, this one's definitely, oh my god. I doubt it.
Is it going?
It is now.
It's still going?
I guess.
There's twins.
Oh Holy shit, there's twins.
I don't know if I can get wide enough with this camera to get them. But look, we got a twin sister. Holy shit. That one's still on the ground. This one's growing. Wow.
We have twin tornadoes here.
Oh my god. You guys were talking about storm of the year earlier in the week.
Too, dude. Do you see that? Keep it on the occlusion. Keep it on the occlusion. Okay.
Keep it on the old tornado?
Yep. That's insane. I've never even seen this.
That one? You got too much adrenaline. Just aim. You can look at the footage later.
I want to go east though.
Which way's east?
God, look at that rope out! What the hell?
Where? Which way's east?
This way.
Okay.
Dude, that's crossing right in front of us. We should get a move on now.
Yeah, before it hits us? That guy in the truck will die first. It's fine. It's lifting anyway. Maybe.
Well, that's the new circulation though. That one's gonna be. Oh my God! What is this? Holy shit!
This one's still there, still roping out.
We have twin tornadoes. This one is roping out currently just to the west. We're gonna get that on video here. New one is touching down right there. We have another circulation just to our southeast. This is absolutely insane.
Oh man. Right now I'm hearing sirens and just gotta think about, I hope it didn't go through any major towns. I think that one's just about fizzled out.
Yeah, I think we should move now. Okay, what time is it? 6:12.
6:12, 6:13.
I don't know where we are. There's a new tornado. What the fuck?
We're currently near Sunbury?
Yeah, Sunbury, Illinois. This is huge!
Currently we're heading.
What's up, dude? Yeah, bro. Do you see? Yeah, dude, that was so crazy, bro. That was insane. I can't even.
Yeah, I don't know how to approach this one.
Yeah.
Being honest. That might drop a big one.
I think it's gonna.
It looks impressive on radar.
I think this is probably. I mean, look at that tail.
On the ground.
Yeah. I think this is our 4th tornado. The conga line's coming, guys. We should go through. We're about to see. Oh my God! Holy shit! Yo! Yo! What? Oh my God! Dude, we like harmonized there.
We did.
Oh yeah, we should go south. Or no, we shouldn't.
Just stop him.
We could keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Holy cow.
It's coming this way too, isn't it? There's up there.
Oh my God, that's a hog, dude. This is like Kankakee, but low precipitation. This might be a 3. I'll say it. I think we're good here. I hate that there's trees that are about to come, but it's fine.
We're gonna watch the trees get thrown.
I mean, it's still going like 3 miles ahead, but... Wow. That is just gorgeous. Looks like a penis now.
You have a penis dropping from the sky.
Not so much anymore. That would be bad if your penis looked like that, but... Damn, dude, that thing was crazy.
Is there one other one in front of it?
I might be trying, I don't know. We'll see. This is definitely trying to occlude. Probably will here in about 30 seconds, I'd assume. Alright, we got a new tornado on the ground. We thought chase was over. It's not at all. Low precipitation tornado. Very low precipitation. Wow, that's beautiful.